Hello fitness enthusiasts, today we're diving into the features of the Sportneer Pull Up Bar, a versatile and robust addition to your home gym that promises a powerful upper body workout without the hassle of screws or drilling. Designed to fit doorways between 30 and 37.4 inches wide, this pull-up bar boasts a maximum weight recommendation of 550 pounds, although it's crucial to adhere to the manual's specified limit of 297 pounds for safety. Crafted with a durable 2mm outer and 1.5mm inner steel pipe, this bar ensures long-lasting strength and stability, featuring a unique double safety lock system with a 360-degree rotatable dual gear lock to prevent loosening during use. The innovative fixative technology allows for easy installation without leaving traces, thanks to the enlarged PVC mats that provide added grip and a fall-proof design. With an integrated, anti-slip cotton handle, this pull-up bar offers a flexible grip for various workouts, adjusting seamlessly to your desired height and length. Whether you're into pull-ups or strength training, the Sportneer Pull Up Bar is rigorously tested for safety, allowing you to exercise with confidence in its sturdiness. So, if you're ready to elevate your fitness routine, this pull-up bar might just be the perfect fit for your home gym setup. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.